Hello everyone, this is Nepaledi sir from ANR Academy. We know that standard form of rectangular hyperbola x square minus y square equal to a square, or you may use xy equal to c square also. Today we are going to discuss how to deduct the result xy equal to c square from the equation x square minus y square equal to a square. Let us observe today. We know that equation of rectangular hyperbola in general x square minus y square equal to a square, and the graph of this a rectangular hyperbola, this is the graph, and whose asymptotes are these are the straight lines, and this is the graph of x square minus y square equal to a square. To get xy equal to c square, it is also a rectangular hyperbola, and the graph of this you will get in the first quadrant as well as in the third quadrant, and here both the axes x and y acts as asymptotes. You know that asymptotes nothing but the straight lines which are acts as tangent at infinity. And suppose that if you rotate the coordinate axis small x and small y through an angle theta equal to minus pi by 4 by rotation of axis, then you will get this result xy equal to c square. Let us observe the proof. Yes, suppose the equation x square minus y square equal to a square, it is with reference to old system. And suppose that if the axes are rotated through an angle theta equal to minus pi by 4, then what happens? Observe, by rotation of axis I can write small x, small y, and here capital X, capital Y. Here this is of cos theta, that is cos of minus pi by 4. Next here you have to write minus sin theta, that is minus sin of minus pi by 4. Next sin theta, nothing but sin of minus pi by 4, and here it is of cos theta, that is cos of minus pi by 4. You know that cos of minus theta again cos theta, but sin of minus theta minus sin theta, so that the same tabular form we get in this way. This is of 1 by root 2, and this is plus sin pi by 4, nothing but again 1 by root 2, but here it is of minus 1 by root 2. Next cos of minus theta again cos theta, so that 1 by root 2 you get. This is the formula for rotation, and from this is the formula, and from this you can write small x value capital X into 1 by root 2 plus capital Y into 1 by root 2, nothing but by rotation of axis it is x plus y divided by root 2, and also small y written as, from this tabular form it is minus x by root 2 plus y by root 2, so that I can write capital Y minus capital X divided by root 2. Now I am going to replace the values of small x and small y in this old equation. what happens, observe. Small x is nothing but now capital X plus capital Y divided by root 2 whole square. In between them you have minus sign. Next y square. Y is nothing but here y minus x divided by root 2 whole square. In the right part you have a square. Next, you have denominator part common value 2, and here you have y plus x whole square minus y minus x whole square equal to a square. This is like a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square model. You know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square value 4ab, so that here we get 4 times of capital X and capital Y. This is equal to 2 times of a square. Neglecting 2 on both the sides, 2 times of capital X capital Y become a square, so that capital X into capital Y become a square divided by 2. And also you can write capital X into capital Y, that is a square by 2. I am rewriting like this, root a divided by a by root 2, a divided by root 2 whole square you can write. Assume that this is some constant. So you got the result xy equal to c square. Xy equal to c square also represents a rectangular hyperbola, but you got this result by applying rotation of axis through an angle theta equal to minus pi by 4, you will get the result. Let us observe the figure. See here, on old coordinate system, this hyperbola indicates x square minus y square equal to a square. Suppose that the axes are rotated through an angle minus pi by 4, nothing but now you have to rotate the axis through an angle minus pi by 4. Here it is of first x axis rotated through an angle minus pi by 4 implies we get new axis here. This is x dash. Next, new y axis also rotated in the anti-clockwise sense. Clockwise sense. Minus pi by 4 means clockwise. This one is y dash. So that with reference to new system, if you observe this curve in the first quadrant, this curve in the third quadrant, so that after rotating rectangular hyperbola x square minus y square equal to a square through an angle minus pi by 4, then you will get the result xy equal to c square. This is the proof. Thank you so much.